Summer days when we were young, we would sail away into the sun.
They say a rising tide lifts all boats. When great change happens, it moves us all, and we transform at the same time, but in our own way. The little caterpillar has no idea that her time wrapped up in a cocoon, not able to move, just waiting, is changing her on the inside in the most incredible ways. Only as she emerges in a riot of colour can she see what's really taken place. We've all had a hard year, missing family and friends, not able to do the things that have always made us feel connected and strong. But there have been invisible and powerful connections that kept us going. Love and hope. That's what these little boats symbolise. The love of your community and the invisible strength that it offers, and our hopes for the future. The power to transform from something simple, even through hard times, into something unique and beautiful. The tide is rising now, and we're all here together, hoping for the swell.
Those summer days when we were young, we would sail away into the sun. Those summer days when we would play, we would run and jump into the wave. Those summer days we skipped the rope, we were young and free and full of hope. Those summer days when we were young, those summer days when we were young, those summer days when we were young, those summer days when we were young.
Hope is a gift, a very good gift at that. And only a good person can get it. What is hope? It is amazing. So cool. It's very cool. Hope is important. Can hope be a wish? Sometimes, not always. I believe in hope. I am hope.
Summer days when we were young, we would sail away into the sun. Those summer days when we would play, we would run and jump into the wave. Those summer days